Good morning, it's Tuesday, August the 11th, and you're watching Chinese Small Cap TV here every day exclusively on ChinaSecurities.com. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Chinese Small Cap TV is a daily, fast-paced show bringing the best press releases out of the Chinese small cap sector at the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. We've got 3 great press releases for you this morning, so without any further ado, let's get down to it. Our lead story comes out of a company called KongZhong Corporation, trades on the NASDAQ under the symbol KONG or Kong. The company is reporting unaudited second quarter 2009 financial results, which include highlights here. We've got total revenues for the second quarter of 2009 increased 37% year over year and increased 9% quarter over quarter to $32.3 million. And that's exceeding the company's guidance, which they had given, which was anticipated to be between $30.5 million to $31.5 million. Net income increased in Q2 2009 to $3.5 million, which represents a 41% increase with Q1 of 2009. Cash and cash equivalents as of June 30th, 2009, the company had $132 million in cash and cash equivalents. A little bit about the company. They're a leading mobile internet company based in China. Company's last at $13.16. High of $13.39, low of $2.31, and the market cap of approximately $471 million. Moving on to our next company, Winter Medical Group. They trade on the bulletin board under the symbol WMDG. The company is reporting third quarter fiscal 2009 results for the quarter ended June 30th, 2009. Got some metrics for you. Revenues increased by 6% over the third quarter of fiscal 08 up to $24 million. Gross profit increased by 20% to $7.2 million. Operating income increased by 73% to $3.7 million. And finally, net income increased by 76% to $3.06 million. Company is also providing guidance. They maintain that its estimates that revenues in fiscal year 2009 will range from $98 million to $101 million, which represents an increase between 15 to 18%. A little bit about the company. They're a manufacturer in the medical dressing industry, which includes medical and wound care products in China. The company's last at $2.05, high of $2.25, low of 19 cents, and the market cap of approximately $91 million. Finally, we're moving on to China Natural Gas. They trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol CHNG. Once again, they're announcing second quarter 2009 financial results for the quarter ended June 30th, 2009. Got some highlights which include Q2 revenue increased 23% year over year to $21 million. Net income for the second quarter of 2009 increased 10% to $3.9 million. And excluding the impact of non-cash expenses, adjusted net income grew 35% to $5.2 million versus $3.9 million in the second quarter of 2008. As of June 30th, 2009, the company had $9.7 million of cash and cash equivalents on hand. A little bit about the company. They transport, distribute, and sell natural gas to commercial, industrial, and residential customers through its natural gas pipelines in China. Company's last at $11.59, high of $18, low of $7, and a market cap of approximately $85 million. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to join us again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases out of the Chinese small cap sector.